Hello everyone. In this video, we're going to create a Windows Live USB. Creating a Windows Live USB on Windows 10 using Hasleo WinToUSB app is an easy and straightforward process. Welcome to MonoVM's YouTube channel. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials and tips. Let's get started. Step 1. Download and install Hasleo WinToUSB app. You can find the link in the caption. Step 2. Connect the USB drive to your Windows 10 computer. Make sure that the USB drive has at least 16 GB of storage space. Step 3. Open Hasleo WinToUSB. Step 4. Select the Windows to Go USB option. In the WinToUSB, click on the Browse button to select the Windows installation source. Browse and select the Windows 10 ISO file you downloaded. Then choose the edition you want to install. In this video, we are going to choose Windows 10 Home, x64. Step 5. Choose the target USB drive in the Destination Drive section. Select your connected USB flash drive from the drop-down menu. Double-check that you've chosen the correct drive, as all data on it will be erased. In the Partition Scheme section, choose MBR for BIOS. Click on the Proceed button. It will ask your permission to erase all data on your drive. Choose Yes to start the installation process. At the end of the process, you will see this message: the operation completed successfully. Congratulations! You have successfully created a Windows Live USB.